Hey guys, it's Bad01. Wanted to thank you for clicking on the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel out and helps us grow so we can bring you more quality content, and then we'll go ahead and get you to the gardens at Bellagio a lot faster. Nice. How beautiful it is.
It is very beautiful.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. It made me make you almost fall over. I just went to see this.
Wow. You're the dog.
Oh, that's why. Okay, yes.
Yeah. Wow.
Okay, get the bamboo.
Oh yeah, I got it all.
You're picking up the flute, or I'm not sure, it's the woodwind instrument, whatever it may be.
A flute of some sort. Oh wow, look at that, Inu. It's just... wow. So this is the side of Vegas I wanted to show you.
More artistic side?
Or the side you'd actually like.
The artistic side. I think that's pretty fair.
Yeah. Not a very convincing movement. It's not alternates.
Huh? What happened? I totally missed what we were talking.
A lot about the music, not a very convincing movement. You're in the middle of a Chinese New Year celebration at an Italian-themed place in the middle of a bloody desert. Get over yourself.
So, what was it?
Oh, I wasn't. I don't know. Oh, Sakura. Quite lovely.
Good sign.
Huh.
Do you know how to pronounce that?
Koi?
Is that how it's pronounced?
Yeah. It also, in Japanese, it also is slang for kimono.
What must it be like to be here in the Year of the Dragon?
Oh, good lord. Well, I guess next year the dragon will come. We'll find out. Beautiful. Wow. So nicely decorated in here too.
Nice feature.
Okay.
I guess we can go there on the way out, walk from that aisle.
Yeah. So cool. A lot of Asian themes at the Italian themed hotel this year. I didn't know the tail moved. That is so cool. The whole garden here.